Alright, y'all, you know who it is, your boy JP coming to y'all one more time with another how-to. We have a 2003 Kia Sorento. This is an EX, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. So first thing you want to do, I've already have everything dismantled. Take your panel removal tool, get down here, and you want to go ahead and just pop this out. It's only held in by clips. That's one side piece, and the right side piece comes out. Next thing you want to do, you will have one, I've already taken them out, but that's 1, 2, and 3 Phillips on that side. Same thing on this side, 1, 2, and 3. Once you do that, that will bring this whole thing down. You can disconnect the AC harnesses if you want to. It's not all the way in my way, so I'm not going to do them. And now we're just left with 1, 2, and 3, 4 Phillips, and we will go ahead and have this radio out in less than a minute. So guys, that's it. I went ahead and took those 4 out, so now I'm just going to wire up this harness and get the CD player in and let you know what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, so I got my antenna adapter on, Bluetooth right here, got my harness tipped up. I'm just going to plug all this in. And where's the microphone go? Right here. Alright y'all, so that's just about it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's JP signing out.